Have you ever seen that perfect earnings chart that just takes your breath away? You know the one where they've beat every quarter for the last 5 years and the shares are just going up, up, up. Well, I've seen them and I've brought you 5 today to finish out this week's earnings reports. Yes, 5 of them. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right to it. The first one is Marsh & McLennan. Look at that chart. No misses, obviously, as I just said. None of these companies have missed, and it looks like shares want to break out here again, even though they broke out in early 2016 again. So this is definitely one you got to be watching for the momentum. Our second one that hasn't missed in 5 years, Boston Scientific, BSX is its ticker. Can it keep it going? It looks like it wants to. Those shares are back up there to try to test those highs again. So we'll see if traders can get this one to break out. It looks like it kind of moves in steps here. So if it keeps following that trend, that could be positive for shareholders here. Our third stock is Snap-on. This is one of the companies I covered last quarter because this chart is just too good. And since then, shares have got this nice boost up, and it looks like it's trying to test this range and possibly break out again. Because up through 2015, this is one of the best charts on Wall Street, as you can see. Not doing too shabby there, but it's now consolidated. Looks like it wants to go higher, but we'll see. We'll see if it can keep this record going. Snap-on, they do all the diagnostics for auto manufacturers and like the auto supply guys. If you get your car repaired, they plug it in and see what's wrong with it, that kind of thing. So this could do well in a Trump administration and a Trump economy. Let's see what they're going to say. And our next stock is A.O. Smith. You might not be familiar with this one either, but they make hot water heaters and boilers worldwide, which is important. A lot of Americans don't think of these things, but a lot of people don't have hot water, and they've been selling a lot of hot water heaters around the globe. You can see this great chart with the perfect record. We'll see if they can beat again, but I like the chances here. And then our fifth stock, yes, I have 5 today, is the stock everybody loves, Visa. They haven't missed. It is one of the best charts on the street, and it is testing those 5-year highs again. I could see this breaking out possibly again on another beat, but we'll see. But everybody's going to be watching this one this week to kind of close out the week here. Now remember, just because all these companies have beat 5 years in a row doesn't mean they're necessarily going to do it again this quarter. I'm always disappointed when the ones that have this great record actually do miss, because ultimately every company is going to miss. I haven't seen many that have been able to keep it together for 10 or 15 years. But these are impressive records. Your odds are pretty good that they're going to keep it going. Never say never. But you want to be sure to tune in on any of these if you're playing the earnings beats and misses, because obviously they know how to do it. Also, if you're interested in the options trades on any of these, my colleague Dave Bartosiak is going to be covering some of them, and on stocks I didn't cover here, some of your favorites, the Facebooks and companies like that will be on the options trade on Zacks Live Trader over on YouTube. So be sure to tune in over there if you're interested in the ones that have a little bit trickier track record than these, and he'll show you all on the options trade over there. So be sure to tune in, and I'll see you again next week for even more earnings reports